What's going on, guys? It's Karl here, back with another episode, checking out the OnePlus 6 Silk White variant. I know that you may have seen it at launch. I took a sneak peek at it before, and it's my, honestly, favorite colorway. It is so beautiful, but if you haven't seen it, this is your first glimpse. This is the OnePlus 6 that you need in your life. It's beautiful. So as most of you know, the OnePlus 6 comes now in two colorways, with the third, the Silk White, which is limited edition. We've got the Midnight Black and Mirror Black, and for my last giveaway, the winner actually chose this model. I will be shipping that out right after this video. I just wanted to hold on to it to kind of compare all devices, but that does still mean I've got two now, either Mirror Black or the Silk White. So if you guys want to see another awesome giveaway, let me know down below in the comments. And I am working with OnePlus on an upcoming video that also has a device for one of you peeps. So you want to stay posted, you got to subscribe to the channel because you don't want to miss out. Okay, so getting to the unboxing, nothing crazy has changed about the Silk White version. It's of course just the color. This one does come with 128 gigs and I believe the 8 gig RAM variant. Oh yeah. Just like the name implies, it's silky, it's almost got a pearlescent finish, it's got the hints of rose gold around. It is simply, I would say, maybe the best smartphone finish that I've seen. It's once again left speechless here on camera. Of course, inside, I can't skip out on the unboxing. We have dash charging, the good old red USB-C cable, all the little goodies that OnePlus likes to include inside. But of course, the main flagship that you want to look at is the Silk White model. Let's actually bring and compare all three devices. So the Mirror Black, as I said, it's very shiny, collects a ton of fingerprints. I think it was a lot of your guys' favorite before. I'd rate that as my second favorite. In the middle, we've got the Silk White, which is silky smooth. It looks very, very sleek. I, of course, love the hints of rose gold, and we still have the standard Midnight Black, which seems like it's aluminum. It does have a very matte finish. It's almost like it's made out of metal, but all three are made out of glass. And just from these shots, I'm curious to hear what you guys think is your fave colorway. But of course, the Silk White being a limited edition model, if you like it, you don't want to sleep on it, as they are hard to come by, and I think these will definitely hold their value better than the other two. As always, if you don't like any of these colorways and you want to protect your phone from scratches, you can always grab a D-brand skin, whether it's camo, whether it's carbon fiber, you name it, you've got it. I will leave a link, of course, down below. So quickly, around the Silk White version, you can see that the rose gold extends around the camera ring, it's into the fingerprint sensor, the OnePlus logo, which is etched right underneath the glass. We've got the rose gold that wraps around the entire device, a volume rocker, SIM card slot, and of course, alert slider, which I'm a huge fan of. To round that off, on the bottom, we've got USB-C, the headphone jack, and of course, speaker grill, and designed by OnePlus, and I believe that is in a hint of rose gold also. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick video of the brand new limited edition Silk White OnePlus 6. As I mentioned, the Midnight Black is being shipped off to the giveaway winner. Plus, I still have these two devices and my next video, which includes a giveaway device of its own. So you don't want to miss out. Make sure you sub to the channel. Of course, follow me over on Insta for more behind the scenes stuff, and I'll announce winners on there as well. I hope to catch the rest of you guys in one of my next episodes or vlogs. Peace!